What's up, guys? Forgot to do an intro video this morning, so this is our intro video for the 3D bow shoot today. We do once a month. We go to Wilmer, Arkansas, to a friend's house, and we shoot targets. Great fellowship. Pauline Baptist Church there in Monticello puts it on once a month. But we sit down, have lunch together, have a quick devotion, and then we go out and do a 20 target course out behind his house in the woods. And man, it's a real good time, real good practice. Deer season's right around the corner. Everybody's getting geared up and excited about that. So it's good practice, good fellowship. Just, man, it's really just a blast. So we went out today, me and my brother-in-law Daniel and our buddy Will. We went out. I shot like crap. They shot pretty good, but man, it ain't really about that. It's just about having a good time, and we had a great time. So hope y'all enjoy this video. My videoing skills are not the best. I'm still learning. This is really the first full video I've put together. Blake's probably gonna have a lot of editing to do, but I'm gonna learn that sooner or later as well. But just thank y'all for following us. If y'all don't follow us, hit the like, subscribe button at the end of this video. We appreciate y'all. There's a lot more videos coming. Hunting season's right around the corner. As soon as it cools off, we're finna hit the woods, hunt some squirrels. So y'all stay tuned for that. Deer season's right around the corner. We're excited. Hope y'all are as well. Thank y'all for watching. God bless.
Like I've seen you before. Where you from?
Myself.
I swear I've seen you somewhere before. Probably Walmart.
Probably.
Walmart. Hammered.
I'll send it through the back of the
I'll put that top pin a little low.
Can't you see? Good job.
Yeah, it wasn't going nowhere. Might have to chase it. Hello?
Good hit. Yeah, you're right.
That real tall one.
I'm gonna figure that 12.
Right below that one. You're shooting through leaves.
Through leaves?
Almost. Yeah.
Right on the edge of them.
Yeah. I gotta watch where y'all range it. Y'all ranging back here.
Yeah, 35.
Yeah, 60. Out there.
Heart. Is the heart towards the front on this one?
Yeah, it's kind of up at the edge of the leaves. This is going to be interesting.
20. 23. This one might be the one I lose there.
Oh, good shot.
Money.
Oh, he was going in.
Got a little different shooting down.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
That's in it.
oven.
Yeah.
What'd you say it ranged?
33.
That was good, Jeff.
Oh, I see you down there, little baby. On the dot.
Yeah, I don't see no dot.
Oh, neither.
Oh crap. Oh, now you're at 28.
Yeah, that's a big step. I'd get 12 yards. That's it. You might be a tad high.
Yeah, no.
But that's where it is. Nice. That's good. Oh, real good. Yeah, move it back. I don't really know where it is.
Oh, Diamondback.
We're gonna put one of these pins on him.
Hey, you hit the target.
Hey, no. Where'd it go?
Backbone.
Hit that hump up there.
What y'all range this at?
40.
I I got 36. That's probably.
Yep.
I ain't gonna hit it, but
There's a
I
little
ain't let it.
stick, man. There's one stick.
Where's that water jug over there?
Yeah, I want to go to the
Stay out.
Don't be yelling at me, Joel.
I'll turn around and shoot at you.
Don't move, you be alright.
Stand still. I'll miss high left. So that 35 yards.
34? What is it, Daniel?
Mine just said 33.
33.
So we're gonna put it on the 30 and hope it goes.
Dude.
That's in it.
Dude.
That's in it. It just.
What's done got into you, man? It was pretty wild. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I got 4 or 5 airs in a hay bale somewhere. That's what I'm talking about. Had to get it out of your system. Right there. That's good 15 yards.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm putting mine on. 20.
Yeah. On the money.
20.
Yeah.
Be ready to shoot about a yard. A yard? Yeah, you're about probably 6 feet above and you're shooting straight down. Head of, I think it's a fish. Hammer dinosaur.
Dead. Badger.
I think that was the only one I 12'd last time. It's a tricky shot though.
No, it's real hard.
If you ain't met it, you're gonna be way under.
Mm-hmm. That's close.
Tie-ow.
Not above me.
There's a good group in there.
Yeah.
Very good today. Yeah, get that tree out of the way.
If you want to hit 10, you gotta get 50 close to that 10.
What is it? Only spider wheel?
Cool.
Smoking.
Dude, just as close as you can get.
Golly. He split the tree in half.
He about did.
On the right side or left side?
Left side up.
Left side.
Alright, Dan.
That's what I'm talking about.
18 yards. 18, 12 range right to the right of that tree.
Don't hit the tree. I'm gonna hit the tree.
You said the 12 range right to the right?
Yeah.
My hand done got sweaty.
My whole body's sweaty. It's real bad.
Make sure I'm regulation. I don't want to be team. Split me a 20, you can have 12 the rest of the bus.
Oh.
I got nervous when I ever
This is what I get. This right here is what I get for talking crap about Daniel yesterday. Now I'm having to correct stuff.
I'm proud of my shooting. I did. I dropped 20 foot or 2 days ago. Right there. I didn't even.
That's an 8, ain't it?
Yeah, that's an 8.
I got an 8.
212. I didn't even range it. It looked like it's about 15. It's less than 20, I think. 18. Yeah.
21 around there.
What I gotta be touching this?
Yeah, man, it don't really matter. Just
I just sit on it. I don't care. Throw it.
I wouldn't want to sit on it.
Sit on it. Spin.
Get them tough wranglers on. I'll be honest.
I don't make them laugh.
Get out of
Ooh.
here. He's nervous. Easy now, killer. Oh.
I don't know what I hit.
You hit the target. You was way back though, but you hit the target.
Wow. Think we count that as a second shot?
And let off some crucial, boy.
Don't hit mine.
Ooh. Yeah, I like these close ones too. Man, we stacked them in there. That's a pretty good group this time.
Oh yeah, very good group. 12. Whoever this one is 12.
That'd be me.
And then a 10 and a. What you gonna call it? Yes. You shooting better than me.
We got 5, and we got a tree, and we got a goose egg.
Hey, you shooting better than me. If 5 was the name of the game, I'd be in it.
Where we at, Will?
25. On the money.
Oh, yes, sir. Good shot.
Thank you, sir. That look like it's in it. Maybe a tad low, maybe? I'm gonna go just right of you. I'm gonna miss it though.
Aim for my ears. I'm
That's
pretty
a
sure
good
I'm
vibe
in
on
12.
mine. That's all right. Gonna be right where that limb is. Yep. Right to the left of it, maybe.
Is that white nut one too?
That white, yeah.
On the right side?
If you hit that's under that white, yeah. 12.
But it's like, is there another ring right there? Is that just the only thing?
Straight 12.
It's just a straight dot?
Yeah, I believe it's just straight.
Okay.
Man, that stick is going right through the middle of the 12 ring.
I know. I mean, you better.
Take a step forward.
I'm gonna chop the stick in half.
Stand back, non-believers.
I got range at 35.
That's what I'm talking about.
I need to double check. How many points if I cut the stick in half?
I'll give you 12.
You cut that stick in half and still hit that target. You can get as many points you want to get.
I look like 27.
Yeah, I thought it was 35. 27.
There's one shot.
Oh, oh, you did it. Too.
No way!
Yeah, they were swinging this way.
Where are you at there, Will? Are you 12 ringing or are you?
No,
low?
get up about 2 inches.
Yeah.
And shoot that stick in half. You
You're
hit
in
it.
between mine and his.
Yeah.
And to the left.
Shoot those. I might be at 15.
That shot sounded like a long shot. I guess better write my score down for us.
12.
That one ain't gobbling no more.
Yeah, I'm ground flat.
Oh, you good, Will. Okay.
Pull it left of the wood.
He said you just born it.
Hammered. Job between you, I didn't know where it was.
Well, I don't see it.
Oh, I don't know. I haven't ranged it yet.
I'll send it, I'll tell you where it's not.
45.
45, yes,
It's
sir.
over here. It sounded a good little bit.
Is that red, the 12, I'm guessing?
Is that
It is,
red or
yeah.
that front shoulder?
About 4 inches to the right. There's like a little waller out spot.
Gotcha.
That's where I'm about to shoot at.
If you want to hit the red dot, go ahead.
Well, you been shooting today. Shoot at the red dot, man.
Heck no, I ain't got no 40. We didn't zero in my 45 pin.
Yeah. Oh, this is going to be fun.
I like this.
We only made it to the first 2 pins.
Yes, one. Hey, what do you want me to do with that? Oh,
Go ahead, Dan, man.
but you hit me, I'm going to hit you.
Water break. Man, you done drank all 4 bottles of them things?
Here, give it to me.
It's hard work teaching you
You're
how to
taking your
shoot.
time. You're hesitating. You're going to hit somebody. Give me that one too.
This one's going on the bloopers.
The bloopers? Well, I'm ready.
What is that? I better not shoot my 20. 45? Ooh, leg shot. I think I'm low.
Man, boy, Daniel legged him. I spined him.
Barely. I gutted him, that's fine.
Dude, hey, look, my left and right was good though.
Oh yeah, your left and right's perfect. We was just a tad bit low.
My pen, now I know.
I don't know if I put it on my 25, I'm gonna shoot his backbone. So.
Trial and error.
I'm gonna put about 22 and a half.
Stay hydrated.
Go ahead, Dan.
I guess that's why I ain't drank nothing yet.
And then you go above yours then, huh?
Yeah.
You said 26.
26.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Sight on you then.
Knew it should have moved my sight. Should have left it at 40.
Shoot at the feet. Make it 312. Take her lead.
Ooh, saw that. That was. Ooh, good shot.
In there.
Hammered him.
In there like swimwear.
Swim on, baby.
Man, this dang lens is nasty.
G-string.
I centered that tree last time. Keep on.
You hear me? I'm saying I hope he don't hit it.
You may be good looking, but you can't whisper.
Ooh. Yes.
Mint leaves.
Eat it.
Ain't even this.
Oh man, got a little mud in that one. Try different. Do it. I just.
Only the 12.
Yeah, show only my 12.
I'm not against doing it. I just.
Hey, don't be talking on your draw, man. You're gonna hit that tree. Boom.
Oh, there's one of them skeeter bugs. That sun gun sounded like a B-52 bomber. Ooh, good shot.
High.
A little high.
A little bit. It ain't bad. It's like a little leaf out there. It's right to the right of that leaf. Cool, man.
I should have brought an extra shirt. Yeah.
22. Go low.
He's in an office.
No, I'm not.
Cubicle.
I'm outside. I just ain't doing nothing really.
Quiet on set. 5.
Second pin in the red. Bet you $100.
Oh, now we talking. Getting money involved now. Cool.
That's in it.
Mosquito.
Give him 100.
I'll shoot you for a pink slip.
That's a hundo right there, cuz.
Can I hold it, man? The mosquito's buzzing. Shoot the butterfly.
You said 35 for me?
35 on the
45.
I don't got a pin for that one.
Keep an eye on where that one hit. Might hit a tree. Oh, man.
Oh!
Hey, good thing about it, you ain't got to walk down there, cuz.
I ain't gonna wear it, the fool. Oh my god. It's coming soon, man.
Y'all forgetting y'all drink?
Rylan, I'll get your drink.
Talking that trash. Leave it.
Yeah,
Come on.
12 ring.
What?
It looks like it from here.
I don't have no idea where to put this.
I'll put it right under his belly.
I don't think I've ever caught this. You put it 20 under it.
Next one's fishy. Next one's fishy.
84 is just because you shot. Farther now.
Go ahead, partner. He said,
Where are you supposed to aim at on this?
I was looking at my air.
Looking down your air? Yeah. Well, let me not do that.
aim high, aim, what is it, a high? Or is it low?
Well, it's always been short. It's been right there, and if you aim high, then you'll hit it.
Which one of them?
I'd aim at the top of that ring, that big ring.
With what though?
I don't know, whatever.
I put you 26. I put that top pin right on his belly.
That's an 8.
Should have went a little bit lower, my bad.
A little.
Get him on 12. 12.
What you ranging at there, Willie?
12.
Yeah. Like I was looking here, I was like, oh, I just sit very top of it. Keep me up so I can see.
You guys understand now?
Hey, I'm
You gotta
short.
shoot through the pine straw.
We'll bring your stool next time, okay?
Should put a saddle on this tree.
Oh god, that's worse than I thought.
Go, Daniel, go.
We the last group. He in it.
Oh.
Back when you were, like when Christopher Columbus come over, they had celestial navigation. They used the stars and the planets and stuff to know where they were and where they were going. Okay. Back in the day when I was growing up, we didn't have this. Maybe some of y'all had used some of these road maps to get around. Remember these used to be in a glove box? You had a big one. Had to dig for this one, y'all. But you had to get on. A lot of husbands, a lot of fault trying to figure out where they're going to go. You laughing because we fought a lot. Now you go that way, you go that way. Maybe some of us deer hunters used to use these. This is cut off creek, by the way. Y'all can't have this. We had to use that to know where the food plots were and where to go. Maybe you wanted one of these when you were finding these going up to find your way. Remember the old Tom navigation? I found this in a box the other day. This was a GPS to get around. Now they're building every car you got. Maybe you use Siri to get around. You trust her to get you from A or B. All of us hunters in here, what do you use? On X, hunt stand. You've got something that you're using to find where your deer stands are, to navigate where you're going, landmarks, stuff like that. We all use navigation in our life at some point or time to know where you're going and what you're doing. So think about that, what you use. So, a life navigation app, you ever thought about that? How you navigate life, your everyday routine? Do you plan your days? I know Mr. Robert has to plan the week. He's got people in there, where he's going to go, where he's going to cut. You have to plan where you're going to go trap holes. You got to know how to get there. Each one of us has to make a plan where we're going. I doubt there's anybody that just wakes up and hits the road. If you do, what are you going to do? Most of the time you're going to fail. You got to have a plan. You got to have some navigation in your life. In Psalm 16:11 it says, "You make known to me the path of life." You're in your